If you're getting Valorant Error Code VAN293, along with the message, Valorant has encountered a connection error, please relaunch the client to reconnect, then don't worry. Before making this video, I went through Reddit discussions, Riot community forums, and player reports where many users experienced the exact same issue. Some players said the error started appearing after installing certain networking software, while others ran into it without making any changes to their PC. After reviewing those discussions, I found a couple of solutions that were repeatedly recommended and confirmed to work for many players. So in this video, I'll walk you through those fixes step by step. Make sure you watch until the end, because the solution that works for one player may be different from the one that works for you. Let's get started. The first solution is the one that appeared most often across Reddit discussions. Many players reported that the error was caused by software that creates virtual network adapters or modifies network traffic. The programs mentioned most frequently were VPN applications and Docker Desktop. Several users explained that as soon as they completely uninstalled their VPN software or removed Docker Desktop from their computer, Valorant launched normally again without showing error code VAN293. To try this fix, press Windows+I to open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and uninstall any VPN software currently installed on your PC. If you have Docker Desktop installed, search for it and uninstall it as well. After uninstalling the software, restart your computer and launch Valorant again to check whether the error has been resolved. If you're still getting VAN293, another solution that helps some players is using Cloudflare WARP. Although this may sound unusual after removing other VPN software, many users specifically reported that Cloudflare WARP worked differently and allowed them to connect successfully. Open your browser and visit 1.1.1.1, then download Cloudflare WARP for your operating system. Install the application and launch it. Once it's running, enable the connection so it shows that WARP is connected. After that, launch Valorant while Cloudflare WARP is still enabled and check if the error disappears. According to community reports, this method resolved the connection error for several players who couldn't connect using their normal internet connection. These were the most commonly recommended solutions I found after reviewing Reddit discussions and Riot community posts. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you fix Valorant Error Code VAN293. If you're still getting the same error after trying everything, let me know in the comments whether you're using any VPN software, Docker Desktop, or other networking applications, and I'll do my best to help you out.